Welcome to American Dream TV. I'm your host, Amy Patton. Today I'm so excited to be at Houston's largest holiday shopping extravaganza, the Houston Nutcracker Market. We're here with Angie Lane from the Houston Ballet. Angie, tell us about this magical holiday extravaganza.
Well, thank you, Amy. Well, this is our biggest and best holiday festival in Texas. It also is an important fundraiser for Houston Ballet. We welcome up to 100,000 shoppers each year. They are really important for the success of this market. Last year, it brought in $5.5 million. That money goes to support the Houston Ballet, our scholarships, and our community engagement programs. So this has been a holiday tradition for 43 years.
Wow.
We have 270 merchants this year, including 30 new merchants.
Well, I can't wait to go shop, and I've been attending the Nutcracker Market for years, and it's such a magical event to get you in that holiday spirit.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're here with Travis, the owner of Manready Mercantile. Travis, tell us about your products.
Sure, we're out of Houston, Texas. We make a little bit of everything, and like other vendors here, we bring some other goods from all over the country. We're known for our whiskey-soaked beef jerky. We make about an hour south of Houston. We sell out of that every year.
Is that your #1 selling product?
It's our #1 selling product every year. We like to say we have a little bit of something for everybody. Everything here is amazing, and we've got super premium goods for people that are really tough to buy for.
Tell us about the other variety of products you sell.
Well, I'm really proud of our new cologne that we actually made. We manufacture this right here in Houston. So we've got fine fragrances to beef jerky to barbecue rub down here in town. Premium spices. We sell gift boxes. You can mix and match and make your own. You name it, we've got it.
I can't wait to shop. Thank you.
Bring it on.
Woo! We're here with Kurt, who is the owner of 10 Roof, based out of El Campo, Texas. Kurt, thanks for having us, and tell us all about your store.
Great. We love doing a Nutcracker. That's actually our favorite show of the year. We do all wood products, handmade, charcuterie boards, cutting boards. We personalize them. We can ship them to you if you don't want to carry them out of here.
Nice.
We do tables, anything you can think of out of wood, we produce it. We have some new products this year, our chandelier, and then also our live edge mirrors. And
Awesome.
love to come see us.
Well, thank you for having us. I can't wait to shop around.
All right, great.
We're here with Michelle, who is the owner of the Crystal Ranch, based out of Sharon, Texas. They are known for their sparkle, glitter, and bling. Michelle, tell us about your products.
Well, we've been doing the Nutcracker Market for 19 years, and we just sell a bunch of Christmas and holiday wonderful t-shirts, caps, tumblers, koozies, everything sparkles, everything blings, and is all glittery and festive for the holidays.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for having us. I can't wait to shop.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it. With Crystal. She is the owner of Kinsley Armelle. They are located out of Tomball, Texas, and they are known for making custom-made crystal jewelry. Crystal, tell us all about your shop.
Yeah, definitely. So Kinsley Armelle jewelry is made of all natural stone, and that's what makes it unique. We also have high-quality metals, so they're hypoallergenic, they're not going to tarnish, and they're going to last a lifetime.
What is your #1 best-selling item?
#1 best-selling item is going to be our own natural quartz bangles. So they're very classy, but they can also be stacked, and they're all super unique.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for having us out today, and I can't wait to shop and whatever.
Thanks for coming by.
Woo! Thank you so much for joining me today on this incredible festive shopping adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and experiencing everything the city has to offer.